Hello dear friends, I hope you will be fine. So in previous class we learned how to use the pen tool and how to draw shapes. Now in today's class I will teach you how to trace the shapes as vector, so without wasting the time let's go.
Preview.
For today's class I downloaded a logo from internet, let me show you. This one I downloaded from vectorstock.com and I provided the link in the description. If you want to do practice on it you can simply go to website and can download. So, how to import this file in Illustrator, there are two methods I tell you. The first method is, simply go to File. Click to open. Browse the file where you saved. Select and click Open. This is the first method. Now I tell you the second method. Here I'm taking a new file once again. After taking a new file just select and drag the image file on your artboard. Like this. Then on top must click on embed, this is very important. Now before start tracing we have to lock this object, otherwise it can be disturbed us again and again, and there are two different ways that we can use, I show you the both. First go to Window, and click on Layers. The Layers panel will open like this. In Layers panel, on top right corner just click on these three lines. And here click on Template. This will convert the image file into a template or just like a watermark. Now we can't move this or even draw on this, so to enable the drawing we have to create a new layer just like we do in Photoshop. So in Layer panel click on this new layer icon to create a new layer. Now on new layer we can do anything but this will not disturb our template. Before start tracing make sure your fill is none and stroke is on, otherwise fill will hide the shape which we are tracing, and in previous class you have already learned how to do this. And after tracing you can also remove the template again. Select the template layer, click on Flyout button and choose Template again. Now I tell you another easy way, make sure image is selected then go to Object. In Object menu go to Lock. And click on Selection because you selected the image which you want to lock. You can also use its shortcut key Ctrl+2. Now as you can see our image has locked, and we can't move this but we can draw new shapes on it without disturbing the image. So let's start tracing this as vector shape. By the way, if you have missed my previous class of pen tool you can see that's link in the video description, in which I explained you in detail how to use the pen tool, and if you are new to my channel please press the red subscribe button to watch my tutorials in future. So here I am going to disable my fill color and I will select black as my stroke color. Please must use the zoom tool for neat and clean work. In CC versions you can zoom in 64,000 times, isn't amazing? Trace with your 100% effort, take your time, and as I have already told you how to use the pen tool, so I'm going to make this part of the video little fast to save your time. Oops, press the Ctrl+0 to fit your artboard. We have traced one part and now I will fill this with solid black color. Now same as I will trace the all parts one by one. So I have traced the whole image as high quality vector shape. Now I'm going to convert these separate shapes as one group. Select right click and choose group. Now by doing this we can easily move our shape. Now if I zoom in, you can see the difference between both shapes. This one is pixelated because this is a raster image. And this one is a high quality vector shape, and you can print this vector shape in any larger size or smallest size. Now I tell you how to pick the color of another shape or object. Make sure shape is selected, then click and select this eyedropper tool. Then click on the shape from where you want to take the color sample. Let me repeat the step. Select your shape. Then take the eyedropper tool. And click on the other shape to pick the color from that shape, and to fill it in your designed shape. So, today you learned how to import the images in Illustrator, and how to lock the objects on artboard to protect them, and how to trace shapes with the help of pen tool, and also how to use eyedropper tool. So guys, do practice because you can't make perfect without doing practice practically. See you in next class.